Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make a video message on WhatsApp. We start by opening the WhatsApp chat we want. After that, we will hold down the bottom camera icon to enter video message mode. From here, we can move the button up as in voice messages to be able to record without having to hold down. You also have the possibility to rotate the camera or delete the message if you don't like it. Once you finish recording the message, you can stop it or send it directly. Finally, we will see our sent video message. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.